I'm loving Switzerland already! Ganda naman dito, sobrang tahimik, guys! It's not every night that you see the mountains from your bed, diba? And, hindi lang siya mountain na, Swiss Alps pa, diba? Guys, we're now at the top of Europe! So, hey guys, time check. It's 2:56 in the afternoon. And medyo malapit na kami sa border ng Switzerland. And tingnan nyo guys yung background. The sun is out. And ang ganda-ganda ng weather dito. And along the way, sobrang ganda na ng nakikita namin. Ang daming mga beautiful houses. And the grass is so green. So, ayun, excited na ako makita talaga yung full beauty ng Switzerland.
What's the abbreviation for Switzerland? You know, like let's say Italy is I, France is F, CH, what it stands for? Confederation Helvetii. Okay, so it means union among the Helvetii people. Let's see if they don't care about us. Welcome to Switzerland! Then you're going to Rolex, so when you're going to whatever, you pay for what? For the name. Okay, in particular we're talking about fan compression, wartime, etc. And
So guys, nandito na kami sa Switzerland. And we're making a stop over here. I forgot the name of the place. And I'm not sure anong part na to ng Switzerland. Basta we just crossed the border of Switzerland and France. And may binili ako. Wait lang, pakita ko sa inyo. Because I love truffle. So ito yung binili ko. And of course, chocolate. Switzerland is known for their high quality chocolates. Because yung foundation of making chocolates come from them. And sabi ng tour leader namin si Roma, we need to try this variant, black chocolate with sea salt. O, diba? Dami pa dito, guys. O, dami pang chocolate dito, guys.
45, no?
34.
Yan, dami pang
10 minutes.
klase ng chocolate. Pero sabi ni Roma, dun sa yung Frau Yok, marami pa daw flavors doon kasi merong Lindt store doon. Yan. Can you show it, Paul? Show it. Ang laki ng milk chocolate nila dito, guys. How much is it? 195 only. Can you buy? Buy it, chef. Ganda dito, guys. Pagpasok pa lang namin ang border. Pagtawid namin ng border, grabe. Sobrang scenic na ng view. Babalik na kami ng bus. Kasi call time is 4:45 p.m. And it's almost, it's 4:40 p.m. na.
now we are in between the seasons kind of thing. Okay, so summer season of course over, but winter skiing season haven't started just yet. Okay. So I looked up, guys, on the opening hours of the supermarket. Okay, so one of the supermarkets will be closed when we arrive. Another one next to the hotel, literally just a couple of minutes down the road.
Diyan yung luggage namin. So we're now here at our hotel. Hotel Alpenrose is the name. And it's so quaint. Kasi para siyang old Swiss chalet. And I'll do a quick room tour. Hiningal pa ako dun, ha? Kasi second floor walang elevator. Tinulungan lang kami nung parang staff nila. So, quick room tour tayo, guys. Pag pasok nyo, 3 bed. Ewan ko bakit 3 bed. Ayan. May single bed here and there and there. And then, ito yung toilet. Wait. So, ito yung toilet nila, guys. Super liit. But it's enough. Ayan. Walang lang bidet. But there's a shower here. Here. Ayan. TV stand, TV, cabinet, small cabinet. And then may coffee nook there. And here's the view from our room. Yan, parang fountain and maze. Oh, I can't wait. See? Ewan ko kung makikita nyo, guys. But there's the Alpine Range. May snow na. Maganda siguro to sa umaga, guys. I'm excited. Full moon pa naman ngayon. Kaso lang hindi na makita from here. So, dinner's at 7, guys. We'll be going down to the hotel's restaurant. Punta muna kami sa kabilang room. Ayan, guys. Dito tayo sa kwarto ng kapatid ko. Sabi kasi may balcony. There's a balcony here. Sila dalawang pang honeymoon, no? Honeymoon ang dating yung room nila. And here's the balcony.
Nag-snow na din. You know, we should just come vacation just here.
This is the town of Wintersville. Oh, look! Look! There's the moon, guys! There's the moon! And grabe, oh, may pa-chimney effect yung bahay doon, oh. Oh my gosh! Sana sayang, no? Kung hapon siguro kami dumating dito, mapapawaw ka. Mapapawaw ka sa view.
Oh, we have tomorrow.
Ay, look at the mountain! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm loving Switzerland already! I can't believe na nandito na ako. Ay, ganda pa ng moon, no? This is the town of Wilderswil. W ang spelling niya, but it is pronounced as Wilderswil. Ito yung dinner hall nila, guys. So this is our dinner, guys. It's a South African dish. It's called babuti. So may minced beef, rice, mango chutney, tomato salad, and veggie, and then banana and coconut. Parang sprinkles. I don't know what you call that. So yan, it's just i-mix and i-mix daw to. And then masarap daw to. So guys, let's try.
I'll be able to do this.
Harap ng sauce. It's a combination of flavors. Pero ang sarap. Weird tingnan, pero ang sarap.
Isan kang Maria. From Madeline. Isan ako kang Maria. That's a lot.
Sarap siguro ito, guys, pag may baboy. Parang lechon kawali. Kasi mushy yung texture niya pag hinalo-halo. Naghahanap ako ng...
Salad ni Karen.
Naghahanap ako ng something solid na machumo. Pero sarap niya, guys. Ito na ang dessert namin, guys. Ang tawag ito? Ang tawag ito?
My raspberry.
Dessert.
Vanilla ice cream and whipped cream. Let's see how it goes.
Ice cream lang pala. With whipped cream. Nabusog kami sa dinner namin, guys. Kaya ito, maglalakad-lakad muna kami. Yung moon, guys, oh. So full. Hindi lang makita. Ayan, oh. And there's bell ringing at the background. So nice here. Cute ng pusa, oh. Taba-taba. Hello! Ayan guys, ito yung facade ng hotel namin at night. Nasa second floor kami. Walang lift, kaya gumamit kami ng human elevator. Mag-tip ka lang ng 2 euros. Pero okay lang kasi hindi mababayaran yung view sa labas. Alam mo yun, kahit madilim na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Salamat sa Swiss trip.
Happy birthday to the one who led us to our financial ruin. Good morning, guys. It's day 8 of our Europe tour, and today is November 17. Birthday na kapatid ko. And yung team leader namin. Time check, it's 7 a.m. And behind me, ako nakikita nyo, look at that. Yan o. Behind me is the Swiss Alps. And today is a very exciting day because we will be on top of the world. We will climb the Jungfraujoch. Not literally climb, but we will go up there to the highest peak here. Right now, we're just preparing to have breakfast. And after breakfast, pupunta kami ng supermarket. This is just a walking distance there. Siguro, mga 2 to 3 minutes walk to grab some supplies and food. Kasi medyo mahal. Maharli ka dun sa taas na mga tindahan. The current temperature here is -2. Imagine that. So, how much more kung nandun na kami sa taas ng Jungfraujoch? Siguro -16. Kaya, ito, ayan. Triple ang layers ko. May thermal wear, may leggings, may jeans. And then this one, may thermal wear din ako. Ito, heat tech din to from Uniqlo. And then may sweater pa ako. And then the last is the jacket. Roma, our tour guide, warned us na we might feel altitude sickness as we go up there because biglaan kasi yung pag-akyat namin. I think we will ride a cable car on the way to the top. Ayun nga, within 15 minutes nasa taas na kami. So imagine yung biglang pagtaas ng namin from the ground all the way to the top. There's a slight chance na magka-altitude sickness kami. And ang tip daw is to just breathe in and breathe out, breathe properly, then move slowly, and then pag may Swiss chocolate ka, you would feel better if you eat chocolates. Yun ang tip niya sa amin. So I can't wait to bring you to the top, guys. Tabunan na. Kanina makikita mo pa dyan yung Swiss Alps. It's now covered with fog. Mamaya makikita niyo na yan. Very colorful boiled egg. So here's my breakfast, guys. Quiche, banana cake, cold cut, toast, and hot choco. Let's eat. Sarap ng fish. Hey guys, I'm now back in my room and katatapos ko lang mag-breakfast. Time check, it's 7:40 a.m. and I just want to show you the view from our room. Wait lang. Tada! Ayan oh. The Swiss Alps. Ayan oh, lalo na din oh. Super ganda oh, yan oh. Covered in snow. And then, yung dyan oh, yung mga grass are starting to be covered by snow. Ganda naman dito. Sobrang tahimik, guys. -2 ang temperature. Diba? Can somebody pinch me, please? Ayan oh. Thank you, Lord, for this beautiful scenery. I'm so grateful talaga nakapunta ako dito. Look at that. You know? Grabe. Ang ganda ng Switzerland, guys. Ay, mapapahay ka na lang. Tapos ang ganda pa ng mga villages, ano? Mga Swiss chalet. Hindi mababayaran. Sulit na sulit yung binayaran namin. Para lang makita tong view na to. Diba? Kagabi nga nung natutulog ako, kita-kita ko yung yung mountain dyan. Parang, oh my gosh. It's not every night that you see the mountains from your bed. Diba? And, hindi lang siya mountain na, Swiss Alps pa. Diba? Kaya, thank you God. Thank you God for bringing me here. Ang lamig. Gusto ko lang umakyat sa Jungfraujoch. Ayan, oh, bundle na. Bumili lang. Nagdala lang ako ng extra na mga panlamig just in case. See you at Jungfraujoch. Guys, yan yung facade ng hotel namin during daytime. And that's our bus. Bus ng Expat Explorer. And this is how the town looks like during the day. And, diba? So nice here. Parang gusto ko na rin dito tumira. Lahat na lang siguro na pupuntahan ko, sinasabihan ko. Parang gusto ko na dito tumira. Basta malamig yan. Gusto ko yan. Hinihintay na lang namin yung mga kasama namin. Kasi dapat punta kami ng supermarket to buy some stuff. Food stuff. Ewan ko, saan na sila? Ba't wala pa? Pupunta na kami ng Jungfraujoch. And look at my background. Ayan na guys. Sasakay kami ng cable car. I can't wait. Guys, nandito na kami sa Jungfraujoch Terminal. Waiting for our turn to ride the gondola. And binigyan kami ng 15 minutes to explore and to have free time. And then by 9:30 sharp, we have to get back over there and meet the group. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung guys, yung sasakyan namin. Wait lang ha. Here you go guys. Ayan. Yan. Diyan kami sasakay guys. Kita nyo yung gondola na yan. Wait ha. Yan. Yan. Diyan kami sasakay all the way to the top of Jungfraujoch. There. Yeah, there. So, 15 minutes nasa taas ka na. So, I'm so excited, guys. Grabe. Switzerland na ito, guys. Oh, I'm loving the color of my hat. It matches my red lips. Guys, we're riding the Eiger Express to the top of Europe. Ito pa lang, guys, 943 meters above sea level. And it's a 15-minute ride to Eiger Glacier. I hope I pronounce it right. 2,320 meters above sea level na. And then, I'm not sure if we're going to ride that parang tram to the top of Jungfraujoch. I guess so. So, we'll see later. Ito yata yung gamit na cable. Imagine that. Look at that.
Oh, you guys. It's exciting, isn't it?
Happy birthday.
They have a VIP actually. Also color gold. So you're all sitting at the back, so that's why we're like going like this.
Mas kuan ka na nada sa mga labyo.
Too much breakfast.
After the cable car, may konting short break. So, andito na kami sa train to take us all the way to the top. So, cable car and then train pala ang way papunta sa top of Europe. So, ayan. We're just waiting for the train to go. And I can't wait. Train is moving na, guys. Ito nila ginawa yung train tracks dati. So nag 5-minute stop lang kami dito sa Ijsmeer station just to acclimatize our body to the altitude. So far, okay naman. Wala pa naman ako nararamdaman. Nabibigatan lang ako sa jacket ko. Yun lang. Parang gusto ko lang maghubad. Ayan pala, guys. 354 meters above sea level.
To go even higher up, 3,571 meter above sea level. There is a terrace, you can stand outside and take beautiful panorama views.
guys, we're now at the top of Europe. Exactly 3,571 meters above sea level, or 11,716 feet. And look at that view, guys. Amazing. Look at that. Look at that. It's glistening. Thank God for the sunny weather. Grabe. I can't believe, guys, I'm on the top of Europe. Ay, so beautiful here. So far, wala naman akong nararamdaman. Okay pa yung breathing natin kahit abrupt yung pag-akyat natin from the sea level. Ay, so amazing here. So guys, we're about to go outside. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Whew. Look at that.
Be careful, Happy.
Whew. Look at that. So worth it. Kahit medyo hinihingal na ako because of parang lack of oxygen here outside. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm here at the top of Europe. Ayan guys, oh. The wind, nililipad niya yung mga snow particles. So, yung pinanggalingan namin kanina, minsan may mga events dyan. Like this one. May play ni Roger Federer. May golfing. O, diba? Walain mo. Nakapag-wrestling pa sila sa lamig. Guys, we're almost halfway sa Discovery Tour. Medyo nanghihina ako ng konti. Catching my breath. Kasi nga diba mataas to dito. But I'm still okay. Yun nga lang. I need to stop once in a while. Kasi I'm running out of breath. Pag ganis lakad ng lakad. To think lakad ako ng lakad sa Abu Dhabi. But here, iba talaga pag mataas na yung altitude. Yung mga namatay na mga workers, guys, while building the railway. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa highest altitude karst cave in Europe, 3,482 meters above sea level. Yan, cave. Ito yung Ice Palace, guys. Mamadali na kami at ang call time namin is 1 p.m. We have to be at the meeting place there. So, ingat-ingat dito, guys, kasi madulas. Pagod. Ayos talaga siya, guys. Grabe. Parang talaga nasa loob ng chiller. Ito na kami sa last stop ng Discovery Tour. And medyo out of breath na talaga kami. So, ang tip is breathe in and then breathe slowly through your mouth. Para kayo nagbo-blow ng fire or candle. Ayan. Dito na kami sa Glacier Plateau. Amazing. Come na lang, big group. Breathe in there. But guys, lamig. Nagnanap na yung face ko and lips. Ayan. Grabe, lamig. Di kaya. Whew. Bye. Bye yung Frau Yok. Guys, pabalik na kami. Thank God. Ay, what an experience. Hey guys, we're now back sa mainland. We're now back on the ground and my family is going to Interlaken. We'll visit Interlaken. Wait, may nakita akong fountain. Anin ko muna yung tubig ko. Very fresh. Kapag-refill na tayo ng tubig and we're ready to explore Interlaken. Sino nakapunod sa inyo ng Crash Landing on You? Yung Chloe. Sikat na sikat ng pandemic. Andito ata yung lake na isa sa mga film locations ng Chloe. So, we'll check it out. Look at that guys, may nagpa-paragliding. Very Chloe. Medyo malayo-layo pa pala yung lake, guys. So, stroll na lang kami dito. Pag pupunta kayo ng Interlaken guys, here's a paragliding shop. Katapat lang siya ng nung park. Yan o. Yan. Yan. Para ma-feel nyo yung pagiging Yonseri nyo. So, tapos na kami dito mag-explore sa Interlaken. We will be riding that bus 434 to Grindelwald. And I think yan na ata. I'm not sure.
Next stop, Wilderswil. Prochain arrêt, Wilderswil.
We're back in Wilderswil, guys. And we're going now back to the hotel to prepare for our fondue dinner at 7 p.m. Guys, yan o. Kita nyo yan. Yan. Diyan kami galing kanina. Yan yung Jungfrau Joch. Diba? Amazing. Hey guys, it's almost 6 p.m. So our dinner fondue is about to start. May bread na. Ito na lang hinihintay namin.
The fondue was started once again by the farmers in Switzerland. The Swiss people like recycling. And we don't like wasting food, we don't like wasting anything. So when they're up in the mountain with the cows, with the farmers especially, the cheese gets a bit hard, the bread gets stale. So they figured, hey, let's melt the cheese, let's dip the bread in it, and Bob's your uncle. We don't have any food waste. And that's how fondue started. What you're getting tonight is not all cheese or stale bread, don't worry. But this is where the tradition started. For those of you who've never done fondue before, which is 99% of you then, how it works, I'm going to pull it out now. You've got this little fork on your table, you put the bread on it, you twirl it in the cheese, you take it out, you can put it on your small little plate, or it is hot. So we have a couple of rules when it comes to eating fondue. It's a 4-strike rule. There's a new one for you. Oh! So strike 1, if you drop the bread in the cheese. Strike 1, you kiss the person to your left. If you're at the end of the table, if you just go around the corner to the person around, right? You're not safe if you're at the end. So you go this way. Strike 2, if you do it for the second time, you kiss the person to your right. Strike 3. You guys have all seen our beautiful garden, nicely decorated, nice circular route for you to run naked through. Oh. I think Roma's done it about 3 or 4 every time.
Dito na yung fondue, guys.
Fondue dinner in Switzerland. Fondue dinner.
If you're gonna drop the first bread,
I'm gonna kiss Josh.
medyo strong yung cheese niya, guys. If Swiss cheese kasi. So, if you're not into strong cheese, baka din niya magustuhan. Ako, I love cheese. But I prefer a milder cheese.
Told by professionals. You know, I love my food, so I just want you to have the best experience.
Sabi ni Roma, it will taste more fabulous pag yung fondue and yung bread with cheese, iro-roll mo sa pepper. So let's try it. Here's our dinner, guys. My beef, my rosti or potato, and then salad. Let's eat. Rabbit stick. Surprise ng brother and
Roma,
yung sister
Roma, this is the reason why we came here because of his
Sana
birthday.
all. Choco mousse. Let's try. Let's try. Huh? Mas masarap pa yung mousse nila dito kaysa dun sa Buyon Republic. This one is just, ano lang, sakto lang sa lasa. Not matamis, hindi pa siya matamis, hindi rin siya thick. Just right. Right amount of everything. Good morning, guys. It's day 9 of our Europe tour, and today is November 18. Time check, it's 5:20 in the morning. Kagabi din ako nakapag-end ng vlog because I'm so tired. Too much altitude, sabi nga ng tour guide namin. Ayan nga, galing kami sa Jungfrau Joch kahapon, and it was such a unique experience kasi nga yung biglang pagtaas na altitude, it will affect your oxygen level talaga. And ito yung ticket na binigay namin. Masyadong mahal to na ticket, guys. 210 euros. So, pag pupunta kayo ng Jungfrau Joch, make sure you don't lose this. Kasi pag nawala nyo to, bibili kayo ulit. And nag-enjoy ako sa cable experience. Sa train, hindi masyado kasi parang nafe-feel ko na yung pagtaas na altitude. And ayun nga, tip ko lang, pag pupunta kayo ng Jungfrau Joch, huwag masyadong layers, maraming layers. Kasi most of the time, nasa loob lang naman kayo ng parang platform nila. Ang dami kasi ng layers na sinuot ko kasi nga sabi ng kapatid ko malamig daw doon because you're at the top of Europe. Pero pagdating ko doon, parang halos hindi na ako makahinga kasi nga, parang sobrang bundled up ako. Imagine, 3 layers plus a jacket. Nagdala pa ako ng extra jacket just in case at ginawin ako. And then yung sa bottom ko, 3 layers also. Dito pa lang sa Winterswil, nangangagat na yung lamig. So inisip ko na baka hindi ko kayanin. So nagdala ako ng parang long coat just in case ba. Pero pagdating namin doon, nasa loob lang pala kayo most of the time. May parang certain part, 3 parts ng platform na pwede kayong lumabas, where you can take pictures or play with the snow. Yung pinaka-tuktok talaga yung may makikita kang Switzerland flag. Doon, sobrang lamig doon, as in, with the wind and all, and blizzard, ganun ang level ng lamig niya. Masakit sa kamay. Make sure yung gloves nyo is talaga yung pang ski glove, can withstand the cold. Kasi kung wool lang, hindi kakayanin, pumapasok pa rin yung lamig. And hindi nga ako nakapag-selfie kasi nga lamig. Wala man lang ako solo picture doon sa may pinakatuktok talaga na yung may Switzerland flag. Though dun sa ibang parts, meron akong outdoor photo. So, yun yung mga tips ko sa inyo. Huwag masyadong layers. Yung lang, siguro 2 layers is enough. Heat tech, sweater, then jacket. Yun. Yung jacket na talagang windbreaker ba? Yung pang snow talaga, but can break the wind. And another tip pala pag nandun ka sa Jungfrau Joch, whenever you feel that you're parang nahihilo ka na, you're getting a headache or you're running out of breath, just breathe in and breathe out. And then yung pag breathe out mo is like you're blowing a candle, yung ganun lang, para magkaroon ng oxygen yung lungs nyo. Isa sa mga pinsan ko, while on the way down, parang hindi na niya nakaya, ang sakit na daw ng ulo niya, and then eventually she threw up. So ayun, kailangan talaga ang breathing nyo is consistent, kasi nga sa sobrang taas ng altitude, mauubusan kayo ng oxygen. Pag ganun, don't worry, kasi may mga medics naman na standby, ibigyan kayo ng oxygen tank and kung ano-ano pa para lang to bring up your oxygen level. So, ayun lang ang mga ganap pag aakyat kayo ng Jungfraujoch. Don't panic, just breathe. And then eat Swiss chocolate. Nakakatulong din yung Swiss chocolate or any menthol para pampawala sa hilo and sakit ng ulo. Ayun. And then keep on drinking water. Yun ang mga tips ko pag aakyat kayo sa Jungfraujoch. So here's the end of our Switzerland vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para notify kayo sa susunod kong mga Europe vlogs. Alright? So see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!